got to bring it way. Oh, bring it on down now. I woke up early one morning. I went to the bus stop. I seen a friend of mine, and he told me, ain't too proud to beg, and you know it. Please don't leave me, girl. You know, I shook my head a little further and walked up the street. Seen another friend of mine, and he said, sometime the going get a little tough now, and don't you weep. It got late that evening. I went on home. I turned my TV to Channel 9, and on Channel 9 I seen another friend of mine. I saw a bad man trying to beat Bobby now, doing the Y2C after a hole in the wall. I heard old Tarzan coming. He was swinging on a vine, doing the boogaloo now, with an old mama line. We got to bring it way, yeah, bring it on down now. 5 o'clock in the morning, I'm on my job. 5 o'clock in the morning, I'm on my job. I get to doing it like this. I get to working in a coal mine, going downtown now, working in a coal mine, about to slip and down down there. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. You know, a woman told me the other day, she said, I got to have 5, I got to have 10, you got to give me 15 now. And I said, a woman, you do slow, a woman, you do slow, I ain't got no time, oh baby, 'cause you do slow. Let's go home, y'all.